One.
Okay, I'm Jeremiah with ENS, and I have Shane here with Shane Spa, RV with RV Design, and Roz with Roz 3D. And what we're going to be looking at today is a bit of what Roz does for work. So Roz, what are we looking at here? This is a 3D design you built, correct?
Yeah, correct.
And you're using something called SketchUp Pro.
Yeah.
So you built this image here completely from scratch.
Hmm?
Cool. That's a very, so do you have some other examples here? Do you have some stuff, or how does this work? Can you spin this around in 3D, or, because I know nothing about this.
Yeah, you can spin it.
You can spin the entire design.
Yeah, here.
So everything here is three-dimensional. So, so it's like making your own virtual universe. So how does this work? Does somebody give you the design of a building in AutoCAD?
They just draft a design, then I will draw it in AutoCAD and uh, uh, draw again in SketchUp.
In SketchUp.
Yeah.
So you'll build it in AutoCAD first?
Yeah.
And then you'll build it in SketchUp?
Yeah.
So you're telling me I can send you like yeah, I want it roughly like this, and I want this to be so many meters and so many meters. Yeah, I can give you that, and you'll make it in AutoCAD?
Yeah.
And once you've made it in AutoCAD, you'll then turn it into a 3D rendering.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, like that's super cool stuff. Can you show a couple more examples here?
Yeah. Uh, Here's a small design of a house.
So somebody came to you and they wanted a small design of a house, and you made this in AutoCAD first, and then you made this version. So how much of this is 3D? Can you go into the house?
Yeah, but we can see inside through this.
No. That is so cool.
Then here.
Shane, have you seen her do this before?
No.
No? So what you're telling me is I could come to you with an idea. Like Shane wants to build a new spa, for example, because she's, her specialty is the spa industry. You're saying that we could get the square footage of a commercial space and take the vision of all the materials and supplies that were going to be in that spa, and you and Shane would work together to be able to build out the spa?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, Shane, your video just went off there. That's wild. Okay. So in between your expertise in 3D drawing and Shane's expertise in the spa side of things, you could literally take a commercial space and work with somebody that wants to set up a spa, and you could set the entire spa up.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let's thank you for the introduction. And don't get me wrong, I mean, for my business, I mean, what we do is what ENS makes these things, which are little computers for digital signs, right? So these go behind billboards or behind screens in public spaces. I mean, that's of interest for sign companies for sure, because if I gave you like a roughed out idea of where I want a billboard, you could build the billboard, right? But I'm actually more excited for Shane with the spa industry, because there's going to be a lot of spas because of COVID that are going to have to relook at their square footage. They're going to have to consider their workflow or their flow for customers. and there's going to be a lot of movement. People are going to be moving between buildings right now because they're going to be changing their leases. In 2020, going into 2021, the amount of businesses that are going to change where they are because of a change in the lease prices on buildings. And they're going to have to figure out how to take their stuff from one location and fit it into another location. You can do that for the spa industry. That's super cool. That's mind blowing. Thank you. Thank you for giving us a show and tell of your expertise. I'm humbled by seeing how you do this because that is definitely something I do not know how to do in any way, shape, or form. Okay, super cool. So let's stop the recording at that. Can we do that, Shane? And send this out into Roz 3D so people can see what she does off of her website. And I think we should send this out through Shane Spa as well to some of the spa owners. I think they'd be very interested in seeing this.